Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my lashes, and it's a very easy step. I am not using anything for it except for my hands. I just use my hands for my lashes. So sit back and watch, and if you have not hit the subscribe button yet, please hit the subscribe button down below. I love you. You're very welcome. So guys, I'll be using these lashes. It came plain, there is no name on the lashes, but this is what I'm going to be using, and I will just pick two from this set. I'm almost done with this lashes. I'll just pick two from it, and once I'm done, guys, if you notice, you will see the little extra lashes stuff that are involved when you move a new lashes. You're going to see the extra lines on the lashes. Most times when you put these lashes on your eyelid, you find that the lashes is longer than the space on your eyelid, and if you apply directly, it's going to start affecting you. Maybe it's going to start touching you, and then it's going to irritate your eyes or something like that. So most times when I get my lashes, I'm going to just cut this excess strip that is right here. I'm going to cut it off so it's going to match with the length of my eyelid. So you just take a scissors, if you have a scissors, and then you cut the extra strip from this part of your lashes. You just cut it. So guys, what I do is, once I'm done cutting the lashes, I'll be using my hair bonding glue. You can use an eyelash glue if you have one, but if you don't, you can also use your hair bonding glue. And this dries very fast, so you can use this. It's actually very okay, and I prefer this to a lashes glue. Maybe I'm not just seeing a lashes glue that I fancy yet, but the ones I've used, I don't really like it, so I just stick to this one. So you just apply your glue directly on the strip of your lashes right here. So once you are done with that, once you are done applying this, once you are done with this, you will just try and remove those. Maybe your eyelashes will have those stains of the liner you put or anything. Just try and remove that with your fingers. Then once you are done with that, you want to look down, and you want to put this directly on your natural lashes. Not, you don't want to put it on top, because if you do, you're going to see the effect when you're done. So you want to put this directly on your natural lashes. You just want to put this on your natural lashes. So when you put that, you just want to press it on top of your eyelid on your natural lashes. You don't want to go above your natural lashes, guys. So guys, once you are done with that, you want to press this lashes. You want to press your false lashes and your natural lashes together, so everything is just going to blend. So even when you look up, you won't see your false lashes you won't see the difference between the both of them. Everything is just going to be blended. Press in those two lashes together and make sure everything is well placed. And this is literally everything you have to do with your lashes, guys. There is no, if you have your mascara there with you, you can just use your mascara and then just put it directly on your eyes, so under the false lashes, so everything is just going to blend in very well. I hope this is very explanatory, and I hope you understood what I did. You can try this and tell me how it worked for you.
Right now I am doing the same thing I did to my other eyes. And also guys, once you place your lashes on your eyelid, you want to place it first at the middle of your lashes, then use your fingers to just try and hold everything together with your natural lashes. You just start one side before you go to the other side, so everything is going to just hold, and then you keep on using your finger to just press in your false lashes and your natural lashes together, so everything is going to just come in together and look all natural and sweet.
So guys, I am done with the both eyes. Guys, and I hope you can see the difference with lashes and no lashes. This is actually very easy. I did not use anything apart from my hand and a glue. This is actually very easy. You can try it and tell me what you think. So if there's any question you have or anything at all, please let me know at the description box down below. I love you all so much. Thank you for the support, thank you for the love, thank you for everything. I really appreciate. Mwah. Do have a lovely time, a lovely week, and stay safe, guys.